Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos we have learned about React 18 and I hope you are enjoying that all videos which we have done yet. So today in this video also I'll be telling you some of the things about React 18, and in this video we'll be learning about different tag using React 18, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. So I hope this video will be giving you help moving forward. So remember to see this video from start if you want to learn how to just build this project, or you can say how to use this tag in React 18, because it will be giving you help. Like previously on, we have just learned about many of the things like what are nested loops, what are loops, and we have also learned about functions in React 18, and I hope you are enjoying that all. And in the previous video I've telling you about same element in React 18, and I hope you enjoy that video as well. So today in this video we'll be also learning about different things using React 18, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well, because it will be really different and it will be really interesting for you, and I hope you'll be understanding this. So today in this video I'll be telling you what are React transition and how to use React transition in React 18. So previously on we have learned about transition as well in React.js when we were working. So today I will be telling you how to use these transitions in React 18 when we are working with any project or anything we are building using React 18. So I'll be telling you that. So if you understand this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video and hit notification bell, from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things, and I'll be uploading more videos like that in future as well. So remember to check that out. You can also check my previous React 18 videos which I have uploaded, because from start I have just given you so much help. Like in the starting I've telling you what is React 18, how to use it, how to create a React 18 app. You can check that all things. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing how to just build this amazing project here, and what things we'll be including in this project of React 18, and how we are building it from start to end. We will be using like I've telling you React transition to build this amazing React 18 project from start. So just like I've telling you, we'll be working with React 18, and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video. And in this video, like I've telling you, I'll be telling you what is React transition. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing what is React transition in React 18. So for working with React transition, here you have to open your VS Code. And after opening your VS Code, I will be opening my folder which is created on local disk E, and from start we were working on that folder. So I will be moving to open folder, go to local disk C, and there is our folder which is called app1. So I'll be pressing and I will be now opening it by pressing select folder. You can see our folder has been opened. These are the main files app.js and app.css from which we will be working. So here I will be now running this. So I will be moving to terminal and writing the command of npm start. It is the React 18 command to run our React 18 app. Now it will be running that. So in the previous video we have learned about same element in which we have just link our index.js file from app.js file. So when we are writing anything in the index.js file, so it is showing on our browser. So today we are not doing that thing. In this video I'll be telling you about React transition, and I'll be showing you how to give a transition to any object which you are building in React 18. Means if you are building any of the project and want to give React transition in that, so you can give that by using this amazing tag of React 18, means React transition. So here now I'll be raising these all stuff which we are getting, because these are the previous video work, and in the previous video we have learned about these things, so we'll be not needing this all stuff. And here I will be now just doing one thing, saving it. Now it is starting my development server here, so it will be opening Microsoft Edge as my default browser, and it will be working in that. So I'll be doing side by side. Microsoft Edge should be at the right, and at the left we will be getting our coding side. So you can see we are getting now, it will be saying compiled successfully, and we are getting heading 2 written here, and the background at green color as well, because in the previous video we have learned about same element. In that I have just done that all stuff. So I'll be moving to my index.css file, save it. All the things will be removed from here, and then I will be moving to my index.js file, and from here also I'll be raising all this thing. So you can see now we are only getting same element. You can say title here, and all the things has been removed. So I'll be moving to my file here, and I will be changing the title as well. This is not same element. So today in this video we are working on React transition. So here I will be writing React transition, which should be our title here. You can see title has been changed to React transition. Now for giving the transition in React, you have to now first of all move to app.js, and then if I just write here button, so if I style a button here, and in button I will be now just giving it like read more, like this. Save. So you can see I've just created a button which is saying read more. Now I will be doing one thing. I will be here moving, giving it the class name as btn. Then you have to close it here as well. Copy this div here, then close it down. Save it. After saving, just you have to move to your app.css file. After moving here, I will be now defining .btn, which was our class on the div which we have defined. Then I will be giving padding 200. Save. You can see our button is gone in the center like this. You can also do one thing as well, like you don't have to give the padding directly. You can just give it the text align center. Means you can take your button directly in center, and when your button will be center, you can just use padding top here. So I'll be writing padding top 200. Save. Then you can see our button is moving in center here. So like this you can do that. You don't have to just give the padding directly from here. You can see our button is in center. Now you can use a button tag to style your button here. So I'll be moving in the button, then I will be giving it the padding 13 pixel. You can also set the width of your button directly. So here I will be now giving 300. So you can see our button width is too much big, I think that. So I will be changing it to like 200 if I do. So it is also too much big. 100 is, I think, it is not too good. So I'll be giving it 1 to 20. Okay, now it is good. So now we are getting our button here and it is looking awesome. So you can just give the border radius if you want to give on your button to check. So here I will be giving border radius 3 pixel. Save. So 3 pixel border radius we are getting. Border none. Or you can say I will be giving the border of white here. So it will be not showing on our background. So I will be changing the background color. So I'll be moving here, right here background, and background I will be writing crimson like this. Save. So you can see background border is not coming. So here I will be writing 1 pix solid. Save. So you can see now we are getting our border here. So I will be now giving the text color as well. So give the text color, and in text color I will be now just writing here like black. Save. Save here. So you can see we are getting the text color here, and we are also getting our button which is looking good. So here I will be just doing one thing. Now I will be giving transition also, but we will be using hover effect tag to just give it the transition. I think color is not good, so here I will be now changing the color also to white. Means our text color is also changed into white and our button is coming here. So now I will be moving down and I want to give transition in this. So I will be now moving right here transition. Now transition means that it is the duration. If you want to set the duration of your object which you are building, like its duration should be 0.8 second. Means it should be just 0.8 second late when I am hovering on my button. So it should be 0.8 second late hover effect which I am doing. So this is the transition which we used. So in React 18 also we use transition as it is. So now I've written my transition tag. Here I will want that my color should be black when I will be hovering on my button. My background should also be black here on my button. I will be doing this thing, and my transition should be 0.8s. Means when I'm hovering, color and background color should be coming, you can say, which it should be coming combiningly, and our transition should also be coming 0.8s when I'm hovering on my button. Reload. You can see when I'm hovering, so we are getting transition, but it is not too good. You can see this on black, it is not looking good, our black color. So here I will be now changing my text color. So here I will be now giving it the hover effect as well. So I have just set the hover effect good, but here we have to do one thing. Color should not be changed, color should be same, only background should be changed. And here I will be writing border should be none here, and then I will be now just doing like this. Save it here, and now if I reload, you can see now we are getting a good hover effect. But here still we have to do one thing, like we have to give cursor pointer. So here I will be writing cursor pointer like this. Save it here, and then here you can see we are getting our cursor which is looking pointer like this. So you can see now we are getting transition on our button which is looking good, and we are also getting the hover effect as well which is looking awesome. You can also change the font size or font family if you want to give. Like if I want to give letter spacing, so you can just give letter spacing to your letters like 2 pixel. save, you can see we are getting the letter spacing on our button as well. And I will be changing the width of its button. So here I will be now writing like this. You can see now we are getting the width like looking good. So you can see here we are getting the beautiful hover effect with the transition on our button. So like this, we can just work with React transition. I hope you understand what is React transition in React 18 and how to use it. So this was some of the similar video from the previous video which we have learned of buttons, but in this video I only want to tell you what are transitions and how we use it in React. So if you have understand this video, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to just see my all the previous videos which I have uploaded using React 18, because that will also giving you help. So just tell me, meet you next project. So for today, good bye.